I want to talk a little bit about light modifiers. So we're back here with our single light setup. Our table lamp is our key light because it's our principal light. And the lampshade is a light modifier. It's softening it up. Look at the shadows on the face of our mannequin. If I took the lampshade off, it's going to get bright. Look how harsh that shadow gets. I could bring in a white card or any reflective substance and fill a shadow in a bit, but it doesn't do a great job because that light is so harsh. It's nice and dramatic if that's what you're going for, but if you want to soften things up, you need some kind of light modifier. Your lampshade is probably your best friend. Now let's look at the difference again and see what the white did. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to put it back in. This is any reflective surface. White tends to reflect more softly. Silver is going to reflect a lot. We have a couple of these 5-in-1 reflectors, modifiers, at school. So they pack up real small. They unfold. And here's the white side I can use to reflect light back into the shadows. If I switch to the gold side, it's much more shiny. It's called a 5-in-1 because we have gold, white, and I can reverse this whole thing. And this is a separate one, but we have silver. And we have black to make sure there's absolutely no light reflecting back. You can see there's a little bit of light coming off this box. If I put the black up there, it's going to absorb all that light. These are called 5-in-1 because in addition to having the black, silver, white, and gold, I can unzip this, pull it out, and I have this translucent side, which works a little bit. But really what this is for is to act as a light modifier to diffuse the light. So I'm modifying the light by reflecting it. Now I'm going to diffuse the light. So just like a lampshade, this is going to make the light a lot more diffuse and easier to look at. I'm going to pull the lampshade off. And again, look how bright it is here, and look at the sharp edge of that shadow. If I take this diffusion and put it up, see how that edge of shadow softens? And take it away again. Hard edge shadow, soft edge shadow. If I grab an even larger one, it's even softer because more light is still coming through out here and it's sort of wrapping around. Just so you can see the difference, let's do this, and then I will insert the smaller one. So the shadow gets a little harsher with the smaller one. The bigger the modifier like this, the softer we can get the light. If I keep it like that, just lean it up, and get one of these other reflectors or this white card. Trying to get it up front to catch the light. That's not a bad balance between being not dramatic, but having clear shadows, but not being overly dramatic. So the shadows on the right are a little open. They haven't gone to full black.